Hello students, welcome you back again to Kaushik Sir's English classes. I hope all of you are well. Let's start with a banger new chapter, The Boy Who Broke the Bank. It's an outstanding short story written by the great short story writer Ruskin Bond. You will find he is a bit different from others. वो थोड़ा हटके से है, थोड़ा different है this author because he gives a punches of humor. He gives a lot of humors that makes people laugh. He gives a twist also. Here also at the same time he has used his own ingredients masala to make you laugh. The great degree of humor is present in this short story. Let's start. It is about a boy whose name is Nathu. He's a sweeper boy. वो काम करता था. He used to work in his bank under the name of the place is People Nagar बैंक में ये बैंक है. उसका मालिक है. The owner is Seth Govindram. There he is to work as a sweeper boy. The point is that he is very angry. In the first scene we see that he is doing his work, is sweeping, but out of anger. बहुत गुस्से में है वो. बैंक करके मतलब काम करने वाला है इसके लिए इसलिए वो काम कर रहा है. उसका कोई मतलब काम में कोई ध्यान नहीं है. He's not paying attention to his work. He's just simply doing it. Now his friend, while he was doing it, his friend Sitaram came here. He's on the cycle. So इसका काम है, he is a son of a washerman. So his father is to wash the clothes and is to iron. तो जो कपड़ा को iron करते थे, and that is Sitaram is to carry those iron clothes to various flats. उसका काम है पहुंचाना. So he is passing by and Sitaram's friend is Nathu. So when Sitaram saw that Nathu is doing in an angry mood, full of anger, he's asked, what happened? Why are you doing in this way your work? Well, see, I'm very angry because I'm not getting my payment. Today is already 20th. 20 तारीख हो चुका है. फिर भी I'm not getting payment. Now the point is that he said that Nathu has asked for to the bank manager that an extra 2 rupees a month. तब का टाइम पे 2 rupees is really has some worth. So both the things, my dear students, for MCQ, always remember these two things in this matter. That is, he is angry because of two things. First point is that he has mentioned he has asked for extra 2 rupees a month. नहीं मिला. Second, it is already 20th of the month, still he is not getting the salary. Plus, इतना सारा काम. Just imagine one sweeper in a bank, in People Nagar bank. So what happened? He's very angry. Then he is a friend, Sitaram. As a friend, he said, okay, if you want, I can give you some job. अगर तुम चाहते तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ काम ढूंढ सकता हूँ. और ठीक है देखो, but it's the last month. मतलब Nathu is telling, it's the last month. After that, I will leave the job. I am not at all satisfied. Look, fine. Then he went away. Who went away? Sitaram went away and Nathu is doing the work. Sitaram went away and he has to keep that work, that kapra, this iron cloth, to Mrs. Srivastava, Mrs. Srivastava's flat. So he went and gave it. Then Srivastava wants a sweeper boy in her building. Mrs. Srivastava wants a sweeper boy in her building. तो ये सुनकर अच्छा देखिए मैम, मेरे पास तो मेरा दोस्त है, इसका काम चाहिए, कोई भी स्वीपिंग का काम करता है, आपको ज़रूरत है तो मैं आप बोलिए, मैं आई विल सप्लाई इट. यस, व्हाई नॉट, आई वांट अ स्वीपर बॉय. फाइन. तो ही वेंट अवे आफ्टर गिविंग दैट pressed iron those clothes and he went away. So he went away and then the point is that my dear students, I am here not to tell you the story, not only to tell the story, but also I'm explaining you in the perspective of exam preparation for class 9, both half yearly, annual exam. So at the same time, I will be asking you to give importance to those particular for MCQ and for long answers, short answers. Clear? That's good. Now, what happened? Mrs. Srivastava had to do some shopping. So she has every day more or less he goes for shopping. And she used to do the shopping with her best friend, Mrs. Bhushan, Mrs. Bhushan. So she is there, Mrs. Bhushan is waiting in the market. So before leaving the house, Mrs. Srivastava told her maid two things. What things? Two things. What? She told about looking after the baby. Next, and told the cook should not be late and with the midday meal. So two things: look after the baby, and also told the cook not to be late with the midday meal. So after saying that, she went away. She set for the People Nagar market. Where did she go? She is going. She went to the People Nagar market where her friend Mrs. Bhushan is waiting. Clear? To make her customary tour. Customary tour means what? Who are the customers? The buyer sell to the things to the customer. So she and other customers along with Mrs. Bhushan, they are going to the market, this People Nagar market, to buy the things, to tour, to see the things. That's the reason we say customary tour of clothes shops. A large shady tamarind tree. Which tree? There is no mango tree, not name pear, not name tree, but tamarind tree. Keep it in mind. So, a large shady tamarind tree grew at one end of the bazaar. My dear students, okay, always, the point is that you can select for half yearly and annual some for long question answer, but you have to cover all stories and all poems in detail, and also William Shakespeare's Act 1, Act 2 details for MCQ. It has 16 marks. It's not a matter of joke. So that's the reason I'm going little slowly. A large shady tamarind tree, which tree? Tamarind tree, grew at one end of the bazaar, and it was here that Mrs. Srivastava found her friend, who was a friend, Mrs. Bhushan, sheltering from her. Mrs. Bhushan was fanning. बहुत गर्मी है sir. She was fanning. She was fanning with a large handkerchief. With what? Not any pankha, not only fan, but hanging and fanning with the help of a large handkerchief. This minute details are very important for MCQ. She complained of the summer. She was complaining. She is saying that it's the hottest day in the history of People Nagar. She complained of the summer, which she affirmed was definitely the hottest in the history of People Nagar. These things actually should keep in mind. Then Mrs. Srivastava, after discussing ye wo kapra in the marketplace, people discuss about various things. Am I right? Anyone, especially women folks, girls. Anyway, तो ये चूड़िया बोलिए, ये कपड़ा बोलिए, ये ज्वेलरी बोलिए, these things they are discussing, and then they come to the main point, the focal point of view. What is it? Miss Srivastava again picked up the topic of that bank, Sitaram, from where she got the news from Sitaram. Sitaram told also that time when she was having that discussion, see, my friend Nathu was working, he was not getting any payment. So since Nathu is the employee, वो काम करता था, उसको पैसा नहीं मिल रहा, तनख्वाह नहीं मिल रहा टाइम पे, प्लस 2 रुपया जो उसको चाहिए था वो नहीं मिला, वो बोल चुका है. किसको बोला है? He told to Mrs. Srivastava. And the point is that this story teaches us the rumors. Rumors are so bad in our society. From the mole to mountain, we say in English. From mole to mountain. पतंगन बना देते हम लोग. पतंग बना देते हम लोग. From where to where? Simple, he was not getting, he will get the money. That's true. But from there, she made some spicy stories. She added some masala, she added some spices in that conversation and gave to Mrs. Bhushan to eat. Then Mrs. Srivastava will keep on spreading to everyone in the market through various people. So she told that, do you know, my dear, that Seth Govind Ram, the owner of the bank, can't even pay the employees. Do you know? कितना बुरा हालत है बैंक का. So bad condition. He cannot pay even. But sir, देखो कितना पैसा कमा रहा है. He's earning so much of money, but he cannot pay. But I'm sure if this, at that moment, at the time, if Nathu was present, Nathu would be shocked. Maybe he would be telling that इसका मतलब तो नहीं था मैम, अगर वो होता तो. Anyway. So this one went in and all okay. Then she was searching about her husband. Then Mrs. Srivastava. So at the tamarind tree, and she was searching her husband. She found her husband sitting in front of Kamal Kishore photographic shop. So many shops are there in the market. Will find photographic shops, barber shops. There are many things are there. She went there, and then she came over and told. That's a simile over there. You know, simile, figures of speech, simile, metaphor, metonymy. This is also very important. I'm showing you. Now then, the paragraph you will find on page on page you find 105. The last paragraph is given over there. Nowhere, replied Mrs. Bhushan. Had you remained stationary in one shop, I might have found you, but you go from one shop to another, like a bee in a flower garden. Who is the speaker? Mr. Srivastava. Mr. Srivastava is telling to Mrs. Srivastava. So like a bee in the flower garden. So like a bee hota hai. You are roaming around and you are telling you are searching me. Mrs. Srivastava is telling to Mr. Srivastava, I am searching and all. But then Mr. Srivastava is telling, I am sitting over here. मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे, आप तो यहाँ वहाँ घूम रही है. Anyway, then the point is that main point came over there. Then she said, do you know, same. पीपल नगर से छोटी सी टाउन है, उसका एक ही बैंक है, ओनली वन स्मॉल बैंक, पीपल नगर बैंक. उसका मालिक है कौन? सेठ गोविंदराम. बुरा हालत है, वेरी बैड कंडीशन. People are not getting the payment. This thing went on spreading from one place to another place to another, and made a massive impact. This one went, then person was there, that is Kamal Kishore. Kamal Kishore was there. So Kamal Kishore. So who is Kamal Kishore? He is a owner of a photographic shop. उसका तो दुकान है, फोटो खींचने का दुकान है. People used to go and take snaps. फोटो खींचता था. तो he got the rumor. क्या rumor है? ये रूमर है कि मतलब द एंटायर बैंक, द सिस्टम ऑफ द बैंक, पीपल नगर जो बैंक है, जिसका मालिक है सेठ गोविंद राम, इट हैज कोलैप्स बिकॉज पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग मनी. तो ये जो बात है, कितना सच है कितना झूठ है, वी पीपल नेवर सी. ये बुराई है हम लोगों का. सी यू विल फील, ओके, यू विल सी दैट वी ऑलवेज लिसन टू द बैड न्यूज. जो बुरा खबर है हम लोग ले लेते हैं, जो अच्छा चीज है हम लोग अवॉइड करते हैं. तो वेरी फास्ट द बैड न्यूज, द सैड न्यूज स्प्रेड. सही नहीं है. तो दिस कमल किशोर हैज हर्ड इट. सुन लिया वो. तो सुनने के बाद किसको बोला? वन बार्बर वॉज देयर, दीपचांद बार्बर है, इसको सुनाई दिया ना. ही वॉज कटिंग द हेयर, ही वॉज कटिंग द हेयर ऑफ अ कस्टमर. तो बेचारा कस्टमर वॉज सिटिंग देयर. जब ये बात कान में आया, when this thing came to his ear of दीपचांद, कौन बात? ये कलाप्स हो गया, बैंक कलाप्स हो गया. सो खाना आ गया. He became startled. He was thinking something because he has been concentrating. ये कंसंट्रेट दे रहा था बाल काटने का. He cut it, okay, out of a sudden he cut the right ear of the customer. My dear students, MCQ. It is not left ear, it is right ear of the customer. ये कट दिया. तो जब ये हुआ, देयर आर टू थिंग्स केम आउट. दो चीज इमर्ज हुआ, दो चीज आया. क्या हुआ? चिल्लाया वो. द कस्टमर शाउटेड. देयर आर टू रीजंस व्हाई ही वाज शाउटिंग. ही शाउटेड बिकॉज वन तो कट गया, वो खून निकल गया. सेकेंड पॉइंट, ही वाज शाउटिंग बिकॉज ही, इसका जो जितना सारा पैसा है, ही हैज लॉट ऑफ मनी इन द बैंक एंड इट इज कोलैप्स्ड. तो क्या हुआ? दौड़ना शुरू किया कस्टमर, दुकान छोड़ के. ही हैज लेफ्ट द शॉप एंड स्टार्टेड रनिंग टू द फोन बूथ. पहले के ज़माने में फ़ोन बूथ था. ही फोन एंड ट्राइड कॉलिंग द ओनर. सेठ गोविंदन को फ़ोन करने का कोशिश किया, बट ही वॉज नॉट देयर. अल्टीमेटली केम बैक, ही गॉट द न्यूज़. भगवान जाने कहाँ से न्यूज़ मिला उसको कि सेठ जी ने, मतलब मालिक ने, ही इज स्पेंडिंग अ वंडरफुल टाइम, मजा ले रहा था वो. कहाँ? कश्मीर में. ही इज एंजॉइंग इन द कश्मीर ऑन अ हाउस बोट. कश्मीर में हाउस बोट होता है. तो देखो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम वेयर टू वेयर गोस. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मज़ेदार है बहुत. जैसे क्या? ओल्ड गणपत. ओल्ड गणपत भिखारी है, लंगड़ा है. ही हैज़ अ क्रिकेट लेग. सो थ्रू आउट द लाइफ ही इज सिटिंग ओवर देयर एंड स्टार्टेड बेगिंग. तो पड़ोसी में, आसपास में, people is to see he is sitting there. He has a lame leg, he is a crooked leg. He is sitting there and begging the money. मज़ा की बात है कि जब उसको सुनाई दिया, when he heard the news that People Nagar Bank has collapsed, he started running at a top speed. बहुत जोर से दौड़ना किया towards the bank. चौंक गया आदमी लोगों ने, क्या हुआ, मजेदार बात है, दैट्स अ ह्यूमर. तो व्हाट इज द रीजन? ही हैज एन अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन हिज बैंक. तो ही हैज एन अमाउंट, कितना अमाउंट? 1000 रुपीज. अगेन आई रिपीट माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एमसीक्यू. ही हैड 1000 रुपीज इन द बैंक. तो ये मिलने के लिए वो भूल गया, जो लंगड़ा है भूल गया. सो इट वॉज अ दिखावा, इज योर एक्टिंग, स्टार्टेड रनिंग. सो देर आर, another point is that there are two types of people. भीड़ में बहुत सारा people है, there are many people are there. There are two types of people. Category number one, category number क्या है? First point is that people are very happy. Some category of people are very happy because they haven't kept the money in the bank. Second category of people, they are very sad. क्यों? They have kept the money जो in the bank, जो बैंक अभी collapse कर दिया, जो बैंक has collapsed now. Second point. Another point is that you will find that there are 6 rumors. There are 6 rumors has been spread. पतंग बना दे, मैं जो बोल रहा था ना, from mole to mountain. We say in English from mole to mountain. क्या बात से क्या बना दिया वो. So there are 6 rumors. Point number 1, people are talking that Seth Govindram has fled the state. वो राज्य से भाग गया. Second point is that he has fled the country. वो देश से भाग गया. Third point is that he is hiding in the People Nagar town. People Nagar town में कहाँ भी वो छुपा हुआ है डर का मारे. Fourth point is that he has hanged himself. फांसी चढ़ा लिया from a tamarind tree. From a which tree? Tamarind tree. And in the morning it has been discovered or it has been seen by the sweeper boy. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth point, fifth rumor क्या है? It is he has fled to Kashmir and मजा ला रहा था. And he's enjoying a wonderful time in Kashmir on a houseboat. That is fifth rumor. आखिरी rumor क्या है? The last rumor क्या है? Last rumor is that he is hiding in his bank itself. He is hiding in his safe deposit locker. हर बैंक में safe deposit locker रहता है जहाँ सोने चांदी रखता है हम लोग, पैसा रखते हैं अंदर में. So here he has, the sixth point is also very very vital. He has kept, where you kept, he is hiding in his safe deposit locker. So my dear students, you should remember these 6 rumors. So next day it appeared Nathuram nahi, it's a Nathu came in the morning and started sweeping. He is very very angry, more angry than the previous day. Why? Because he is not getting money, proper payment he is not getting. Now what happened? Now this today in the morning, that day बहुत ही गंदगी हो गया. Because people were angry. One evening before क्या हुआ था मैं बता चुका हूँ. People are very angry. They are angry people. Okay, they have started throwing the stones. गुस्से में, because ये लोग का क्या rumor आया, क्या मतलब बात है कि ये लोग, the bank is collapsing and they will never get the money. So they became angry and started throwing the bank. But the point is that बेचारा जो मैनेजर है, manager told don't worry, next day we will bring the money back. But from where they will bring the money? From another branch that is 30 miles away. कितना? 30 miles away. Again I repeat my dear students, MCQ. That is 30 miles away. Another branch is there. From that bank, from that branch, in the morning he will bring it. But people, कौन सुनता किसका बात? They started throwing the stones. तो इसीलिए morning when Nathu came, it was very dirty, full of glasses, broken things, wooden things and all. गंदगी हो गई बहुत. So he was more angry. He was sitting. Just then who came? His friend Sitaram. Remember in the beginning the Sitaram came? In the beginning we saw Sitaram also came. So Sitaram came and asked, will you join the job? That is Mrs. Srivastava. बात हुआ था Mrs. Srivastava से एक दिन पहले. तो he has offered, okay, will you do the job? बोला जॉब तो छोड़ो, क्या हुआ इसका? Then Sitaram said, do you don't know बैंक का हाल? बोला क्या हुआ? He is going to collapse. गिर गया वो बैंक, पैसा नहीं है. जो पैसा नहीं देने सकता है खुद एम्प्लॉयर को, कैसे मतलब ये पैसा जो है बैंक में कैसे कस्टमर को मिलेगा? Those who cannot pay the bank to the employees, जो काम करता है, जैसे आप काम करते हैं ना, तो आप काम करते हैं ना, तो आपको नहीं मिल रहा तो कैसे मिलेगा कस्टमर को पैसा? भगवान, मैं थोड़ी बोला ये. तो दैट इज द भयंकर इफेक्ट, डेंजरस इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस र्यूमर. RUMOR, rumor. सो एट द एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन, तो एट द एंड क्या हुआ, नत्थू का कुछ तो माथा में कुछ नहीं घुसा है, कहाँ से क्या हुआ. तो this one as started, the Nathu is giving a last dialogue. This is very very important, very much mazadar hai, very much humorous. He said that I wonder how it could have happened. कैसे कैसे हुआ ये, मुझे मालूम ही नहीं है. आई चौंक गया हूँ मैं. तो बात है कि उस बात को जो वो खुद बोला था सीताराम को, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द पेमेंट. सीताराम जाकर मिसेस श्रीवास्तव को बोला, श्रीवास्तव को मतलब बनाकर मसाला पूड़ी बनाकर उसको डाल दिया. तो ऐसे ऐसे दिस rumor has been spread. It has spread throughout the market. My dear students, this is a story. It's a wonderful story. So try to understand this story. And any kind of problem, I'm here always with you. And you just text me. So my dear students, wish you all the best. Do well. So always do not forget to leave like and do not forget to share. And also never forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Thank you.